Hello everyone, let's see how to make coffee in a microwave oven. So here I'm taking Kirkland milk. This is a whole milk from Costco and I'm adding it to a ceramic mug and I'll be heating it in the microwave oven for 2 minutes. And then once we put it in the oven and wait for 2 minutes, the milk comes to a boil and then we can go and add in the coffee powder. After 2 minutes, the milk is boiled and then we take it out of the microwave oven and you can add your favorite coffee powder. So here I'm using the Continental sachets. So for me, I prefer my coffee to be strong, so I'll add in 2 sachets and then give it a good mix. At this stage itself, you can add any kind of sweetener like sugar, jaggery or stevia as per your choice. Stir and give it a good mix and your coffee is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more easy videos.